In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. This way, no one can view or see any of your posts or friends or anything. So to get started, click on Facebook, then go to settings. Here you'll see the icon. Go to settings and privacy, and then click on settings. And then scroll down till you see audience and visibility. So first thing you want to do is turn off active status. This way you don't want anyone to see when you're active. Then go to profile and tagging, and here you can see who can post on your profile. You can turn it off if you want. You can just keep it only me. Okay, and then who can see what others post on your profile, you can also turn it off. You can make it only me as well. And here, allow others to share your post, turn that off. Okay, and then here, make sure you just go over this list. You can do the same thing for other options. Once you're done, just go here and go to followers and public content, and then click on here. You will see you just have to switch it from public to only me, so who can see your followers. And do the same thing for this one as well, who can follow me. If you don't want anyone to be able to follow you, just keep it as friends. And here we're gonna set it to only me, who can see the people, pages, or lists you follow. You're gonna set all this to private, and that's pretty much it. This will pretty much make your Facebook profile locked in a private mode. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.